I'm Craig Drinnan, Managing Director of Welding Solutions.
And where were you 12 months ago before we met, and where are you now?
Our staff has doubled, and I think we've probably tripled our revenue in the last 12 months.
And what are some of the key differences? What have you learned? What's been some of the things that have been most valuable that you got?
Learning the science of selling and the sales process, capturing the leads, and just being dedicated to it, and just having a good sales routine that you stick to. Then just following through the sales process, start to the finish.
And you just told me about a new order you got, cold calling. Had you ever done cold calling before, and what's that order worth?
Order would be worth probably around 1.5 million from that call. So it worked really well for me, that one. It was just good timing as well, and we've met a few times since then, and we've tailored a product to suit their requirements, and they've been really happy with it.
Had you cold called before?
A little bit, but I probably didn't go about it the right way. And now I've got scripts, I've got a system to follow and a process. I didn't have that in place before.
You're right. So what would you say to someone else thinking about using Farnell or the Academy or the Colour Zones?
I'd highly recommend it. Yeah, I'd say go for it. You've got nothing to lose, and the money spent, we've turned that into a lot more. It was one of the best investments I've made.
Thanks, mate. Well done.
Thank you.